Hey guys. Hey. Hi. I literally can't with myself. Sometimes the camera just turns on and my mind just wanders. My creative juices just start flowing and I can't control it. I have been waking up so early. Ever since coming back from Greece, I've been waking up so freaking early for no reason. It's not like I really have any time constrained tasks to do. I don't know. And then recently I've just been waking up at like 7:30 every single day. Maybe it's from jet lag. I don't know. I just feel like I want to do something with my day. And so now I just really feel like vlogging. So I'm just gonna vlog my day. I have actually a lot of things to do today. Basically the plan for my life is this. Today is Wednesday. My luggage is still lost from Greece. They were trying to find it. Apparently it was supposed to get on a flight to come to Toronto yesterday, but it didn't get on that flight. I think it's in Frankfurt. Odd because we were never in Frankfurt. So it's just chilling in Germany. If anyone wants to go pick up my luggage and just send it to me, anyone who lives in Germany, I would really appreciate that. What's also in there is the SIM card, my like original SIM card, like my Canadian SIM card. I can't call or text anyone except for if I'm on Wi-Fi. Today I actually need to get a SIM card because I'm really scared of going places without a GPS because I'm scared that I'm gonna get lost. And then I'm just patiently waiting for them to send us an update on when the luggage is gonna get here, because on Friday, my dad and my sister and I are going to Toronto. We're going to my sister's apartment so she can show me how to take care of her cat, Judy, because I'm gonna be taking care of her cat and kind of like watching over her apartment for 2 weeks while she and my mom and my dad are gone in Nova Scotia. So I'm just gonna be chilling in Toronto in my sister's apartment for 2 weeks. So it's gonna kind of be like old times, like when I had my Toronto apartment, and I'm gonna have my car there for at least 1 week. I don't know how the parking's gonna work there because their visitor parking is kind of weird and hard to set up. I feel like it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna vlog like everything that I do there. It's gonna be so fun. But I need to pack for that. And in order to pack, you usually need a suitcase and the stuff that you're gonna put in the suitcase, which I evidently don't have because my suitcase is in Germany. Oh, I have a workout class today, which I'm really excited about because I got this new workout set and I think I want to order more. I think I'm gonna order another one today. Like I called my mom and I was like, Mom, did you see my Instagram story? Did you see my workout set? She was like, yes, you need another one. Oh my god, but I want to show you the swimsuits that I got. Okay, I think I've literally been ice rolling for an hour. My face was so puffy when I woke up. I'm not wearing my contacts right now, so I can't really see how puffy my face looks, but like my eyes, I kid you not, were like swollen shut. I wanted to do a little mini haul of what I got from the Hannah Maloche x Kulani's Kinis collab. I got so excited when she reached out to send me some bikinis because I literally needed some. Like you guys know, I was in need. And I love that they have different sizes for the tops and the bottoms because I'm literally like an extra small in the top and a medium in the bottom. This lemon pattern ties around here. These kind of loop together and tie around your back. It is so pretty. And then the bottoms, they tie so you can literally make them fit you perfectly. And they have these little gold accents. This is actually my favorite one. This is the most comfortable bikini. Oh my god, I just realized that all the bikinis that I bought in Greece are in my suitcase. And I didn't even do a haul of all the stuff that I bought in Greece. Okay, no, they're finding it. They have to find it. It is like stretchy and it feels like you're wearing like pajama material. It's not like the regular bathing suit material. It's so hard to explain. And this is also adjustable, so you can make it as wide or like as skinny as you want, you know, and then you can also like slide it around. So adjustable. And the bottoms, oh my gosh, these bottoms, the most flattering bathing suit bottoms I have ever tried on because they go so high-waisted. You know when bathing suit bottoms are usually like that, and then when you pull them on your waist, this kind of like folds over because they're not supposed to be that high up, but this is literally designed to be high-waisted on you, and the V cut of the front and the back, stretchy, super comfortable material. She also sent, I got this under the sun beach bag, and then I got this under the sun hat. Thank you so much, Hannah, if you're watching this. I've been tanning in these for like the past 2 days and I really want to tan today, but I think it's too hot. This is the outfit that I decided to go with today. It is just a set from White Fox. I've been liking these types of socks recently. Are these called ankle socks? Or are these called crew socks? I'm actually so embarrassed I don't know what ankle socks are. Because I know the no-show socks are the ones that are like down here. So are these ankle socks because they go on my ankle? Or are ankle socks the ones that cut off kind of before your ankle, which wouldn't really make sense. But why do I feel like the shorter ones are the ankle ones? And these are a crew. But these aren't quite crew. These are like a mix between ankle and crew. Anyways, I'm gonna be wearing my white Air Force One shadows. What else? I was gonna wear a hat, but then sometimes wearing a hat makes my clean hair greasy. So I'm basically only trying to wear hats when my hair is already greasy. But Drunk Elephant sent me this huge skincare PR, and I've been using this lip balm non-stop. I love it. It just looks like that. It's actually really cute packaging, and it's so big. And it's just really quick to put on. So I am so glad that I left this in my carry-on because now I have it. All of my other makeup is still in my luggage. So I'm gonna be using this purse today. This is actually my old purse. I got this from Winners. It's from Anne Klein. And then I have this check to deposit. Woohoo! I lost my perfume somewhere, like my actual good perfume. Today I'm gonna be using my Pacifica Sugared Amber Dreams, but my favorite one is the Taj Mahal one. I'll link this one down below. My purse is like pretty empty though, because I usually have a small one. This one's like pretty medium size. I don't have anything to put in it. Oh, I need to take my insulin. That's something to put in it. Yesterday I went to the store and I bought poo-pourri. You need this. Okay, have you ever been to someone's house or maybe even like a public washroom and you go in, do your business in there? It's kind of like a war happening in there, like something you ate just off. Maybe you were bloated and you were trying to de-bloat yourself, but then your friend walks into the bathroom stall that you were just in and you were like, oh my god, I'm not gonna have a friend after this because she's gonna smell what I just did in there, and it's not a happy ending. So I don't know if I just like created a fear for you, but don't even worry, because if you buy poo-pourri, you basically just like take off the cap, spray it in the toilet before you go, and it smells like you're pooping out rainbows and lavender and flowers. You will leave the bathroom smelling so good. And this is a lavender vanilla scent. It smells divine. I'm actually debating on using this as perfume right now. Like, someone needs to convince me to not use this on my body. I will link that because you can get that on Amazon too, but I need to go. The thing is that I might have accidentally bought something. The Rogers was so dangerously close to Urban Planet that I just like knew in the back of my mind I was gonna buy something, but here is my rebuttal. It was buy one, get two things free. The whole store was buy three for the price of one. You guys are gonna get so mad at me. Please don't get mad at me. Mom, if you're watching this, don't get mad at me. I bought a hoodie and I bought sweatpants, but the thing is like I still wear hoodies and sweatpants in the summer. You might be wondering, like, why don't you buy a t-shirt or like stuff that's like summery? My hair is like why don't you buy summery stuff? Because there was nothing in there that I really liked that was summery, except I did get a dress. But I did in fact get a new SD card, and it didn't cost me any money. She just gave me a replacement, not SD card, SIM card I meant to say. Just a little bit more normal in my life. Still have no update on the luggage. My dad said he's gonna text me if he gets any updates. Now I have to just deposit this check. It's before 2, right? Okay, it's before 2. Yeah, because I always go and it's after 2, and then they don't do that type of thing after 2. Right now it says feels like 39. I just had lunch and I'm currently having one of these Dream Pop things. This is the mango rosemary flavor. These things are like basically sugar-free. Yeah, they're non-dairy sugar-free little like popsicles. It's not really a popsicle. It's like a creamsicle. And I got really cold, so I put on my new hoodie. Look how cute it is! I got this from Urban Planet. So freaking comfortable. Let's get back. I literally just noticed that my course registration is in like an hour. I'm registering for courses for Laurier. Today's like the first day for registration. It opens at 3 p.m. and I want to get in there so I can get my timetable that I want. I have everything planned, all like the CRN codes that I need, and I know exactly what I want my timetable for fall and winter term to look like. Okay, this is the second thing I got from Urban Planet. It's just this dress. I can kind of tell that the quality is not the greatest, but I think from far away it looks fine. Like from far away it looks fine, right? Like if I'm just standing like this. I just am in love with this blue color. Like I just think it complements any type of skin tone. It makes you look tan, and it also matches the necklace that I got in Greece. I think it looks really good with this color. I just want a bunch of dresses like this that are honestly kind of cheap because I don't want to spend a ton of money on like trendy patterns and stuff. This is the back. It just zips up. I could picture this with my big gold hoops, like really big gold hoops, and then my hair honestly kind of like this, slicked down, or maybe even like big and curly. And then I did get a pair of sweatpants. They're just like really basic sweatpants. My black sweatpants that I have from Aritzia are getting kind of pilly. I've had them for years, like since high school. They have a little something to it. I love this like collegiate style of writing. Yeah, these are sweatpants, Urban Planet. Once again, now I need to get ready for course registration. I'm so excited. It's 1 minute. It's 1 minute till I pick my courses. Why am I so nervous? I feel like no one is doing it this early. It's 2:59. It's 2:59. Okay, did I pick the right? I really just want to get the courses. Like, whoa, why do I sound... I really just want to get the courses that I plan. It's 3. Guys, I'm not gonna talk for like 80 minutes. Imagine like my laptop dies. I would cry. See what that says? Oh, you actually can't see what that says. Well, it says registered. I'm kind of confused. Am I done? Because I pressed submit and then it says there are no changes to save. Is that it? Like, do I just close the tab? Where do I go now? Oh my gosh, guys. Semester 1, I am enrolled in every single class. Term 1 is done. Now I gotta do term 2. This girl's going to unit. Guys, this just became real to me. Like, I am fully registered to go to university for a year. Can we talk about this for a second? I literally last year had no idea what I was gonna do with my life. I feel like a lot of people are also really confused why I'm even going to university. They're like, why would you do that if you have YouTube and everything? And I feel like I literally just want YouTube to be something that I always enjoy. The reason why my content has changed throughout the past like 5 or 6 years that I've been doing this is because I want to always make it something that I enjoy, and I like change and I like challenging myself to do different things. So at the beginning my videos were super produced and short, and now they're a lot longer and they're more vlog style and personal. I just want to make sure that I can keep doing that and have the freedom to do that. So while doing school and while like working towards a different part of my career at the same time, I just feel so much more comfortable to play around with YouTube and have more fun with it than if it was my full-time job and I needed this to live, like for rent and for bills and stuff. But I am so excited for university content. Like, I have been watching a lot of other people's university content, so I'm definitely gonna do a what's in my backpack because I still love those videos. I don't even care if they're like 2016 YouTube. Like, I'm still gonna do it because I love watching those videos. I just want to know what's in your backpack. Like, let me know. I'm gonna do like outfits of the week. I'm gonna do first week of school. They're just gonna be so real and so personal, and a lot of you guys are also going through the same thing, so we can like be going through the same thing. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram too, because I'm probably gonna be posting a lot of stuff on there like for university. I also feel like this is too bright. I literally like just noticed that now. I think I'm actually gonna work on that. I don't think it's my aesthetic anymore. Guys, my aesthetic changes so often. That's why I did this really neutral, because now I'm not sick of it. Like, it's pretty neutral and white. This is just too many colors. My like little vision board for 2022. Also, I'm putting stuff on Depop right now. Like, I have to put all of that stuff on Depop. But now I'm gonna procrastinate and make another vision board. I'm currently heading to my workout class. I'm doing a bar class, which is kind of a mix between, I'd say like ballet and Pilates, but this one is like less ballet. We don't do like that much bar work. We basically just do like a bunch of Pilates with like a medicine ball, and it's just really like toning and lengthening. That's what I feel like it is. And it's really like strength. Like, you just feel so strong and like solid after you do that. And I'm wearing my Amazon set. The color looks a bit different on Amazon than it came in. Like, I said dark green. This is like a teal. I love working out in cropped t-shirts instead of cropped tank tops or sports bras. Like, this is so comfortable. These are the pants. They're literally biker shorts. It's just so flattering, and they're so soft, and the waistband is super like suction. This is the back. Like, what the freak? It is literally so flattering. This comes in a million colors. I'm gonna link this set down below. It makes me feel so confident, and I'm so excited. I was so excited to work out today just so I could wear this outfit. I would also just wear this out like a day downtown or shopping or literally running errands. That's why I'm probably gonna order 17 kajillion more of them. I'm gonna go work out, do some bar. That's my laundry drying. I literally had the house to myself today, and it was really fun. I love having the house to myself because I can talk as loud as I want. I can do whatever I want, and no one can judge me. And this water bottle is also the Anna McNulty water bottle. I get so many questions on it. on earth happened last night while I was sleeping? My suitcase came. I'm all like sweaty and gross and my hair is like slicked back into like high little ballerina bun because I was tanning outside. The best thing ever. I could literally cry of joy. Okay, today I need to unpack everything. I also need to get my nails done because I'm gonna be going to Toronto tomorrow and I don't really know a nail place that's cheap enough there for me. And I need to shower. Sorry for looking like this. I need to shower. That's something I need to do immediately. When I tell you I've been editing for hours, I've been editing for hours. I don't know why I said it like that, but I've literally just been sitting here for hours and I got so much of my video edited. I feel like a weight has been lifted off of me. I was carrying that stress throughout my whole morning. I rough cutted basically like 4 days of power roast, and I think I'm gonna include some of Athens in this video. Does my hair look very blonde today, or is it just me? Like, am I tripping out? But I feel like it just looks so blonde. Currently 5:50 and my nail appointment's at 6:15. I also edited the reel that I have been talking about for days now. Like the one where I'm like, well, actually I'm not gonna say it. You also have to go to my Instagram and see it. It'll probably be like the newest or like maybe the third newest. I don't really know. It involves walking. I posted it. I love like spending a lot of time and like putting time into like the creation of the concept like in my mind and then getting the clips and then finally putting it together is like the satisfaction that I can't explain. Like, it just feels so good to finally put it all together and edit it and do the color grading and put the music on. Like, when your vision comes to life, I feel like that is literally why I like making content. And that's like why I love watching movies with really good like cinematography in it, because it just makes me so satisfied. But I need to go like right now. My outfit is actually kind of cute, and oh wait, oh ew, my pocket. No, don't look at that. This is a skirt. So it's a skirt in the front and then shorts in the back. How cool is that? It's like a bright orange. I have been loving bright colors, like bright pink, bright blue, bright orange. That's gonna be my summer aesthetic. And then this is just my garage seamless top. I put on this bracelet that I got from Paros. I think I got it from Paros. Okay, I need socks. I've been wearing like these type of socks recently, like the higher ones, but I think I'm just gonna get white on my fingers. Should I just get white or should I get an actual color? No, I'm gonna be boring and I'm gonna get white. I know I'm gonna like it. Sometimes I try to branch out and I don't end up liking it, but I'll probably just get white. You'll see in 3, 2, 1. I got white. But there's like a little bit of pink in it. But I noticed at home, I don't think we have any salads left. I think I'm making my own dinner. I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna like go and pick up a salad from the grocery store. I'm probably gonna get like a garden salad. Or am I feeling like a Greek? I love how light it stays out for such a long time. Like, it's literally 7 p.m. Oh, I have to give my mom a haul. My mom has been waiting to get like a try on haul of my bathing suits on FaceTime because she's in Nova Scotia right now. But she's literally been waiting. I told her I would do it at like 1 and it's 7. Just realized I got on the wrong highway. Grocery haul. First of all, I got this Cobb salad. They didn't have any of the other ones. I got the Cobb one, so I'm just not gonna put the cheese or the bacon in because I also use my own dressing. Speaking of, I was kind of getting bored of balsamic vinegar dressing because I don't want to use oil because that's just too much fat, and I'd rather get my fat from other places if I am going to eat fat, just because of insulin resistance and stuff like that. I got this white balsamic vinegar glaze. All that's in this is just a bunch of different types of balsamic vinegar. I was feeling like I needed some dessert, so I got some berries. Guys, berries in the summer, oh my god, I can't even describe. So good. Like, I crave fruit in the summer. I'm so glad I kind of figured out with my blood sugars how I can have it. Apples with the PB&Me peanut butter, bananas with the PB&Me peanut butter, berries, watermelon, and pineapple for snacks. Like, that is my snack in the summer, and I feel like it's just so light, but it's also like you don't feel gross after eating it, but you're also full with the PB&Me, and it's just so good. I have to text my mom about the bathing suit haul. It's just gonna have to wait. Balsamic glaze taste test. That's really good. It's like thicker, so it's more like a glaze instead of, obviously, because that's literally what it's called.